Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down below in the description. This video reflects my personal experience using Spotify ads. Spotify ads, a comprehensive look. Advertising on Spotify offers a unique opportunity to connect with a massive audience of highly engaged music lovers. Reaching potential customers while they're immersed in their favorite playlists or podcasts can be incredibly effective. But navigating the platform and crafting a successful campaign requires a solid understanding of its features and functionalities. This overview explores Spotify's advertising platform, delving into its various ad formats, targeting options, and performance measurement tools. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, this guide will provide valuable insights into leveraging Spotify ads to achieve your marketing goals. Let's start with the ad formats. Spotify offers a range of options, including audio ads, video ads, and sponsored sessions. Audio ads are the most common format, playing between songs for free users. These short audio clips, typically 15 to 30 seconds long, can be a powerful way to build brand awareness. Video ads are displayed to users who are actively browsing the app, offering a more visually engaging experience. Sponsored sessions provide a unique incentive for free users, offering 30 minutes of ad-free listening in exchange for engaging with a video or interactive ad experience. Targeting options are another key aspect of Spotify ads. You can target your audience based on demographics like age, gender, and location, as well as their listening habits and preferred music genres. This level of granularity allows you to reach the most relevant listeners, maximizing your campaign's impact. Finally, Spotify provides robust performance measurement tools to track your campaign's progress and optimize your strategy. You can monitor key metrics such as impressions, clicks, and conversions, gaining valuable insights into what's working and what needs improvement. By understanding the different ad formats, targeting options, and measurement tools available, you can effectively harness the power of Spotify ads to reach your target audience and achieve your marketing objectives. This overview aims to equip you with the knowledge you need to navigate the platform and create successful campaigns. Don't forget to check the description below for links to further resources and helpful tools.